All right, everybody wave. Woo, second Sunday. His thumb's in the picture. Second Sunday Flat Rock. The rollout has occurred. Trail clog is a minimal today, hopefully. We're doing single flag course. So instead of 2 flags, you just go in the general direction. It's something I picked up from an event I went to, Proline by the Fire, years ago. And it leaves more to the imagination. It goes on there, comes around, then we drop down back into the creek, and it runs all along the creek, comes back out on the other side of the flat rocks. It's pretty sweet. I'm gonna try to take the Trailwalker out for its maiden voyage. This is box stock RTR. I changed out for a WP1080. It has a 1600 milliamp little tiny 3-cell in it. And we're gonna see how she do. Oh, that's not the way. I picked the one way that wasn't the way.
Exactly.
Oh, that's the first time I had to pick it up, which I'm not going that way again. That was High Side Central. Dang! I love this spot, dude. This is a section that we haven't crawled on in a long time. The entry was a little janky, so we decided to loop around the back over here, and it's much more burly looking than I thought it was going to be. There's supposed to go side, down. Yeah, like that. So this is the tricky part going down. There's this little step ledge that goes pretty steep. Oh, so scale. I went in a little too aggressively. Oh, look at that, little chassis dig. Gotta go to the high side to clear the roof. Little throttle. And finish. And that took us, give or take, 20 minutes or so. So about 20 minutes, not bad. Truck did good. It was overheating, so I had to cool off the radiator. Whoa, careful, the rocks are super slippery. There's a little ledge right there that I can get. Oh, the reverse. I gotta turn the reverse speed back up. I don't know. That's a bad move. More reverse. See if I can see it. There it is. I've done that a couple of times. Don't think I'm any good at this. There's a little notch right there that catches the tire just perfect. Yeah. Oh. It's too deep. I fell into the deep hole.
With an element. What, they give it to you?
Look at the windshield inside, just getting hosed.
I will say Hobbywing, the axe.
Oh, this isn't the axe. I'm ruining the stock motor so that I can put in an axe. That's one thing water driving needs. Well, I mean, submerging needs is power. Like,
Right.
you can't get out of it without the power. Oh. This thing's pretty awesome.